The next we are going to learn about the grammar NISHITAGATTE. The grammar of NISHITAGATTE is mean that as, therefore, in accordance with, or according to, consequently, that or something. And in Japanese, when you use the grammar of NISHITAGATTE, that means you can use the verb and the noun. That means you should begin by the verb, but the verb in here you should change to be the dictionary form. And you can use the noun. After that, you follow by nishitagatte or nishitagai. Nishitagatte, you can say, you can write in kanji or just write in hiragana. It just has the same meaning. So don't be confused. And it have the two cases. One case means the shitagatte, and the second case it means nishitagai. But it just had the meaning that according to or therefore in accordance with that or something. So the next, let's go to see some sample. 日本での生活に慣れるに従って日本人の友達が増えた。日本での生活に慣れるに従って日本人の友達が増えた。Which means that as I got used to life in Japan, my number of Japanese friends increased. As I got used to life in Japan, my number of Japanese friends increased. For this sentence, you said that nareru is mean I get used to, right? We just learned about nareru for the last moment, right? In this video clip. And nareru is verb in the dictionary form, right? Naremasu, which means in the mass form, by the dictionary form is mean nareru. Nishitagatte is mean that for this sentence, for the grammar of nishitagatte is mean they use the verb ni nareru nishitagatte, which mean when you depend to you, right? According to that you used to the life in Japan, right? Your friends increase. The next example. パソコンの普及に従って仕事がとてもやりやすくなった。パソコンの普及に従って仕事がとてもやりやすくなった。Which means that as computers become more widespread, work become much easier. As computers become more widespread, work become much easier. In here you see that they will use the noun, right? パソコンの普及 is mean as the computer widespread, right? So in here we say we use the noun, right? Our noun in here which mean パソコンの普及 which mean the increase of the computer, right? Widespread of the computer, right? According to the widespread of the computer, 仕事がとてもやりやすくなった。Which means that it's become more easy to do work. The next example. 暗くなるに従ってだんだん寒くなってきました。暗くなるに従ってだんだん寒くなってきました。Which means it began to get colder as it got darker. It began to get colder as it got darker. For this sentence, you see that they use with the verb, right? Naru, which means become or became, right? In the dictionary form, in the mass one, is narimasu. So they say nari is mean the dictionary form. So karuku naru nishitagatte is mean according or depend to the becoming dark, right? Kuraku is mean dark, right? According to the becoming darker, something like this. だんだん寒くなってきました is mean is slow down to be colder, right? So for this sentence, we use verb in the dictionary form with nishitagatte. The next example, 年を取るに従って病気になりやすくなります。年を取るに従って病気になりやすくなります。Which means that as one gets older, it becomes easier to get sick. As one gets older, it becomes easier to get sick. In this sentence, you see that before nishitagatte they use with toru. Toru is mean take, right? Take or get, something like this. So we say torimasu, which mean in the mass form, but we just use toru is mean in the dictionary form. So toru nishitagatte is mean according to the according to the getting older. Toshiotoru is mean you get older, something like this. So 病気になりやすくなります which mean you get become easier to get sick, right? Something like this. And it's about how to use the grammar of nishitagatte. Thank you very much for watching my video clip, and please help me subscribe my channel if you haven't. I hope to see you about learning Japanese in the next video clip. ありがとうございました。